guys, day number 9. I'm gonna start it off from last night though, because I didn't get the video up from yesterday till, let's see, I don't even remember. It was like 2, 3 in the morning. Didn't fall asleep till like 3:30. So yeah, big plans for Brooklyn. Couldn't really wake up though. Alright guys, day number 9. Just got to Brooklyn. It was super late night last night. Didn't finish editing till like 3 in the morning or something. And yeah, this morning the trains were delayed, so it was short. So yeah, we were supposed to meet my cousin Brett at the skate park. I don't think we're gonna catch him though, we'll see. Almost there. Maybe that chick on the motorcycle will skitch us to the skate park. Quick skitch? Yeah. Oh yeah. Can I grab on? Can I grab on for the ride? Turn my arm off. I think I'm close. Oh, alright, let's see if he's still there. What's up, dude?
You're only 3 hours late.
Yeah, not bad.
That's not bad. I was expecting 4 or 5, but 3 I'll take.
3's good.
I gotta go in a little bit, but don't trip.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Trains are running late, so my bad. Sorry about that. Might have to hold this a little further. Wide angle iPhone, you know?
Oh yeah.
I mean, not wide angle.
Not wide angle.
Not at all.
Zoomed in.
Yeah, so Brett had to leave right when we got there, but I just kind of wanted to do some skating, and not like just learn a trick. I kind of wanted to take the day off and just enjoy it, skate around, not really focus on just getting a trick. So that's what I did, just kind of floated around the skate park and relaxed. It's nice to switch it up and have some smooth cement. The skate park has some shady spots. But yeah, I was trying a few tricks and another shoe problem. Yeah, as I'm going to try tricks and taking my foot from pushing and then putting it on the tail, my shoe was kind of eating the tail of my skateboard. So it was alright, it's not too bad, but a little bit annoying. Oh, well, alright, second pair down. Anyway, after I like warmed up and was hanging out, I started to try a few tricks. Kicking around some nollie 360 kick flips. So after trying a few of those, I realized that that pyramid thing is the perfect obstacle to try to get the laser flip on from the other day. Yeah, the first few tries were nowhere close, like at all. And then I think it was somewhere around like 4 or 5 tries. Just kind of pulled one out of my ass and rode away. Went to go check the footage. Opened my phone to see a message from work saying that you don't have off today. So I've just been so busy with this challenge, I didn't even realize I had to work. And I didn't really have the day off, so that just kind of like threw me off. I was just thinking about that and trying to get someone to cover me. So stopped skating after that and took the rest of the day to handle some things that I haven't been able to get a chance to do. Just been so swamped. But yeah, pretty hyped about that laser flip. Kind of got lucky. I mean, definitely got lucky, but kind of needed it today, and it was fun. It's a nice, relaxing day. So that's it. Nice little short one. See you guys tomorrow, day 10.